Hello everyone, welcome to Math Today. So we are going to start with calendar, then we're going to practice a new skill and learn that new skill, and then we will finish with our problem of the day. So let's go ahead and get started with calendar. So yesterday was Monday, which makes today what day of the week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was the 18th, which makes today the 19th. So let's say the calendar or the date together. Ready? Today is Tuesday, May 19th. Great job. We're going to add our next sticker over here. And yesterday was day 165. So what does that make today? Let's try something different instead of counting. If yesterday was 165, then today would be 166. Today would be 166. We have our next straw over here. We now show 166. We have one group of 100. We have 6 groups of 10. And 6 groups of 10 is 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And we have 6 ones. When we go to our base 10 blocks, we have the same idea here. We have one group of 100, 6 groups of 10 making 60, and 6 ones. 166. 166. Okay, our problem of the day from yesterday was 2 math problems that you had to solve. And I'm going to give you the 2 answers and we're going to just move on because you guys did such a fabulous job on them, we really don't even need to go over them. So the first one was 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0 means 7 plus nothing, which equals 7. The next one was 9 minus 2. If you have 9 in something, you take 2 away, you are also left with 7. So both your answers should have been 7. So what we're doing today, my nose is itchy today. What we're going to do today is we are going to learn how to add 3 different numbers together. So let me pull this over here. Ugh. Let me tape or glue it up there. And we are ready to go now. So we are adding 3 numbers today. So Mrs. Arnold's going to write something plus something equals, and we have to figure out the answer. Then, since it's dinosaur week, Mrs. Arnold printed out some dinosaurs so that we can glue them up there to represent our problem. So let's get started. We're going to start with an easy one. We're going to do 2 plus 1 plus 2. And we have to figure out what to do. So all we're doing is the same thing we always do when we add. We're putting 2 numbers together. The only difference is this time we have 3 numbers we have to put together, not 2. But you're doing the same exact thing. You're not doing anything new. You're not learning anything new because you already know how to do it. But we're going to make a picture to walk us through this. So our first number is 2. So we have 2 green dinosaurs. These are the long necks, which are called brachiosauruses. So we have 2 of those guys. We have 1 blue T-Rex. He looks a little friendly. And we have 2 purple Triceratops. So what we need to do is we have to figure out how many we have all together because we're adding them together. So let's start over here. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equals how much? 3. We have 3 dinosaurs. Now we're going to add 2 more on to see how many we have all together. So we had 3 plus 2 more, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. If we were to do that with our fingers, we started with 2, we added 1 more making 3, then we added 2 more, 1, 2, making 5. We had 5 all together. That's all we're doing. This is easy, right? Not much new to learn here. Let's do another one. This time, we have 3 plus 2 plus 4. And I know you can't see that 4, so I'm going to scooch the easel over here for a moment. There we go. Now you can see that 4. And let's go ahead and put our dinosaurs up there to help us. So 3 plus 2 plus 4. We're going to start with 3. Mrs. Arnold's just going to draw a big line and stick 3 dinosaurs up here. 1, 2, 3. We had 3. Oh man, you can't see him. There we go. We have 3 green dinosaurs. We have 2 blue dinosaurs. And we have how many of the last one? 4. We have 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's figure out how many we have all together now. So we have 3 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 4 more, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have how many dinosaurs? 9. Let's do it on our fingers real fast. We started with 3. We added 2. So 1, 2. Then we added 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, equaling 9. This hopefully is making sense because all you're doing is adding another number to it. We're already really good at adding 2 numbers together. All we're doing is now adding 3 numbers together. And you want to know the cool thing? This is a first grade skill. How exciting is that? So exciting. Okay, let's do 2 more and then we'll be done for today. Sound good? Okay. Mrs. Arnold's running out of paper here. She's having to get creative, isn't she? Sorry if you hear Abby in the background. She thinks she heard a noise. Okay, so here we go. This time we have 0 plus 3 plus 1. We have to figure out what that equals. So if we have 0, do we have any green dinosaurs? No, we don't. Remember, 0 means you have nothing. If you have 0 cookies, you have no cookies, which is a very sad day. But we do not have any green dinosaurs because we have the number 0 right here. So let's move on to our next one. 3. So we have 3 blue dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3. 3 blue dinosaurs, and we have 1 purple dinosaur. So now let's figure out how many we have. So let's start with just our first two numbers. We have 0, right? Nothing. Plus 3. So how much do we have? Just 0 plus 3, not including this guy. We have 3, right? Now we're adding 1 more. So how much do we have now? What's 3 plus 1? 4. With our fingers, we have 0. We add 3. 1, 2, 3. We add 1 more. 1, making 4. Here is our last one for today, and then tomorrow we will practice some more. So what should Mrs. Arnold do this time? Let's do 5 plus 2 plus 2. Try to make sure I had enough dinosaurs for this problem. So 5 plus 2 plus 2. Do you want to try to solve it before I glue up the dinosaurs? How about you try to solve it while I'm gluing up the dinosaurs? How about that? So while I'm over here gluing up dinosaurs, you try to solve it with your fingers and see if you can do it. Okay, if you're stuck, do the first two numbers first. 5 plus 2. What's 5 plus 2 first? Once you figure out 5 plus 2, add 2 more onto that and you will get your answer. Okay, let's start. So 5 plus 2 plus 2. We have 5, 6, 7, plus 2 more, 8, 9. Did you get 9? If I do that on my fingers, I start with 5, I add 2 more, 1, 2, and I add 2 more, 1, 2, making 9. That is how you add 3 numbers together. So let me give you your problem of the day today. All you're doing for your problem of the day today is this, and I highly suggest that you either use your cubes to help you or you draw a little picture, kind of like how I made my pictures underneath. You don't have to draw dinosaurs though, you can just draw dots. Dots are just fine. But let's do 2 plus 3 plus 1. That is your problem of the day today. What is 2 plus 3 plus 1? This one right here. Solve that problem and send it on over to me, and I can't wait to see it. 2 plus 3 plus 1. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye.